Jellyfish, the floating beauty of the sea. These marine animals are intriguing invertebrates, part of the Cnidaria phylum. Their bodies, transparent and slippery, are mostly made up of water. Their tentacles are a marvel, stinging cells deployed as defense or to capture prey. Despite their delicate appearance, they're amazing survivors, thriving in every ocean. Jellyfish are not fish at all. They are plankton, drifting on the ocean currents. They have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living creatures on Earth. Their life cycle is fascinating, going from tiny polyps on the ocean floor to floating medusa. Jellyfish is a testament to nature's wonders. Enjoy the dance of these ghostly sea creatures, but remember, their touch can be deadly.